So, not sure if you can see it, but
it's fucking huge.
There's a city there right at the bottom base of that hill. Ooh, there's a castle up on top too.
Yeah.
And then I don't know what that's beyond it. Maybe that's a church or a monastery or something, but we believe that that's where we're headed.
Castrojeriz.
It's about what?
I think so.
It's gotta be like, I don't know. I'm gonna say 5 km just to be on the safe side. Okay, so you can see the rain coming down over there. That's a new development. We're closer to the city. You can't see it behind these trees, but it's just, ooh, do you see the lightning? So we're gonna try and beat that cloud because we don't want to get soaked, and we're too lazy to throw on our rain gear. But you can see it moving. It's kind of moving pretty quickly. We may not be able to beat it, but hopefully we can. It's kind of scary. It looks like Mordor. Definitely looks like Mordor game of Lord of the Rings. Ooh, did you hear that thunder? So we stopped off to talk to some people that stayed at our burgie but left at 4 a.m. this morning. And that cloud came in real quick. We could feel some raindrops on our heads, and the wind picked up real fast. Oh shit. And you heard that. So we're trying to book it without having, I don't know why I stopped to take off my rain gear, but we might need to. It's weird, it looks like it's raining up there already, but there's that cloud. Oh shit, I feel it really bad. We need to stop. Yeah. We need to stop. Raining AF. It's not even rain, it's fucking hail. It kind of hurts. Okay, I gotta turn this off. Oh. So we are literally in a ditch.
I know.
Trying to protect ourselves from the hail. Look out. Look out. See the hail balls? And my fucking socks. I don't know what happened. I don't know. My socks got wet on the inside.
Look at that.
Oh, you didn't cover your back.
I don't have time.
Oh, shit. Okay. Well, it's actually too bad. Not too bad. Do you have your cover?
Yeah, I do. I
hope my camera's wide. Whoa. That car just drove by. So, we're hiding from the hail. We're using our packs to kind of like protect us from the hail. Yeah. I hope this camera is waterproof. What the fuck? Ouch. Fuck. Oh my god. Ouch. Caught in the hailstorm. We're like a kilometer or two away from our hotel, but didn't quite make it. The weather changes fast here on the Camino. That's where we're getting. Ouch! Shit! That's what we're getting pelted with. What the fuck? Oh shit. Ow. Okay. That was fucking crazy. So we were literally in the ditch. Oh, you can't see it anymore, but the ditch like right over here, but facing the road, just to kind of like shield ourselves from the hail. Look at the size of these hail balls that we were getting pelted with. This one right here is like the size of like I don't know, marble or whatever. I'm not gonna lie, that shit hurt.
That was painful.
Look at these hail balls that we were getting pelted with. Look at all this water that came.
We were sitting in.
And so yeah, so that ditch that we were sitting in, we couldn't tell, but like it started like just like this one. It started flowing with cold water. On the bright side, we fucking made it.
We made it, and
We
honestly,
fucking made it.
My brother's motto and I is always do it for the story.
Right?
So
That's a good motto. So we finally made it to Castrojeriz. Now we just gotta find our hotel or albergue. I think we're staying at La Rinconsado tonight. We have a reservation, and I believe Joe and Charles are already there. So we fucking crushed this 30K day.
A 30K day and a hailstorm.
And a hailstorm? Bruh.
That's
Bruh.
Dude, we're fucking jammed.
Look at all this hail from the storm.
¿Me estás preparando ensaladas, hija?
That's not snow, that's hail. On the outside. we were able to get some hot bath. Clothes are waiting to wash.
Where's Charlie?
And,
Charlie.
and some beer.
We made it.
We're leaving dinner. I'll be outside. Leaving dinner. All the locals are here right now. So, you know this is a local bar because they didn't start serving dinner until 9 p.m. Yeah. They actually started earlier because a lot of people started coming earlier, so they started taking orders at like 8:30, but the food didn't really come out until like 8:45 or 9 or something.
That tastes like shit.
Really? Is it bad? The one I had was pretty good.
Oh, thank God.
So this is our burger. We came in here soaking wet, mud on our shoes. It's cleaned up now, but yeah. Okay, let's go see if we can do laundry. There's still food. Ooh, there's still one-legged chicken. Oh, okay. So she gave us more newspapers. I don't know what we need to do with that.
Oh, she probably just was like a look.
Yeah, okay. Did you want it? Do you mind if I do a load?
Yeah, yours is probably quicker. Mine's gonna be like a minute.
Okay.
Well, I might just put my shit in the dryer. Oh.
Laundry again. Clothes got soaked in the rain. Stuffed my shoes with newspaper. They're drenched wet, like inside and out. I took my insoles out and washed them.